This AI-generated YouTube channel is earning over $10,000 in passive income this month, all thanks to using Midjourney. I discovered an even better AI art tool that not only replaces Midjourney, but does it all for free. Keep watching until the end. This video is your key to crafting incredible AI images. And what's truly exciting is that I'm going to reveal to you how you can earn money with this AI tool. Now, I'm sure we can all agree, Midjourney makes amazing AI art, but those subscriptions add up fast. Their standard plan is $30 a month, and realistically, you need to pay $60 for a pro subscription to get enough generations as a creator. That's $600 a year just for AI art access. Imagine how quickly that eats into your profits. Well, I found the ultimate free alternative to Midjourney. It's called Blue Willow, a free open source AI art generator. Blue Willow offers unlimited AI art and boundless potential to turn those images into earnings. You'll reach your income goals faster. For me, it's a no-brainer. First, you'll need to create an account with Blue Willow. Don't worry, it's super easy and completely free. I'll guide you step by step, so stay with me. Open your web browser and go to bluewillow.ai. I've also linked it in the description below, so you can just click on it instead of typing. Click the green Try Now for Free button on the top right of the homepage. You only need to enter your email address to proceed, or you can choose to sign up with your Gmail account or social accounts like Facebook or Discord. Once you choose for Gmail, enter your email address. A code will be emailed to you that you need to paste into the next box to proceed. Once you have pasted the code, hit that sign up button and boom, you're in. I've been using my Discord server for this since the reintegration of LimeWire's Blue Willow with Discord. Just add to server and that's so now your account is set up. It's time to put the AI to work. The key is Blue Willow uses a unified interface called LimeWire that connects you to multiple AI image generators, both free and paid. This gives you more options to find the perfect art style. Let me break all 4 AI image generators down real quick. Blue Willow version 4 is great for beginners and is free. The next is DALL-E 3. Generates very realistic images but costs credits. If you're just starting out, you want to save money and practice a lot, which is why I don't think DALL-E 3 is a good choice at this stage. Then, Stable Diffusion version 2.1. It faces problems with quality reduction and inaccuracies in specific situations. Considering these challenges, along with the associated costs, I recommend avoiding this for now, as quality and costs are not in balance. And then lastly, Imogen creates photorealistic images, but is more expensive at 1.2 credits each. I highly recommend Blue Willow version 4. Here's why. It produces high quality art that looks realistic. The style works great for all kind of AI art, including YouTube thumbnails and merchandise. Since it's Blue Willow's own model, it's been trained specifically for YouTubers and creators. Blue Willow's community is also awesome. It's full of different artists, creators, and AI enthusiasts on Discord. You can get feedback, share prompts, and constantly push the AI technology forward together. The community makes Blue Willow welcoming for beginners and pros alike. Amazing, right? That's why Blue Willow version 4 is my go-to for the perfect mix of cost and quality. Once you've created your Blue Willow Discord server, we're in the window where we'll actually be generating our images. Enter a text prompt describing what you want to generate. You can also add negative prompts to exclude unwanted details from your art in the next box. Getting access to Blue Willow version 4 is easy, but creating prompts to make beautiful images is not as easy. The key is to focus on making accurate and detailed prompts. Here are some tips to help you get started. First, choose the style you want, like astronaut or cartoon. Then, provide additional context, such as a futuristic structure on Mars or flowing waterfalls. Next, list specific visual details, including objects, colors, lighting, background, level of detail, image resolution, camera lens, and more. There are unlimited possibilities. All you start with is practicing and trying different things. Let me give you a few prompt examples and take a screenshot. Prompt 1, a cartoon astronaut floating in space in a YouTube video thumbnail style, 50mm lens, black and white, phone background. Prompt 2, a robot playing electric guitar, a psychedelic album cover, early 2050, highly detailed cinematic lighting. See how I included the context, style, and visual details? That gets the AI exactly what you want. Next, I'll reveal my easy system for turning your art into profits quickly and consistently. Stay tuned. Now that you've created unique AI art on the cheap, it's time to make some money. I can think of a million ways to make money with AI art, but I will share those I have used myself with Blue Willow. You can upload your generated images and set up an Etsy listing as a digital print, poster, t-shirt, or anything creative you can think of. Ensure you tag it properly with SEO optimized titles and descriptions to reach more people. Also, price your Etsy items competitively based on similar listings to maximize earnings. I normally don't go beyond $30 for my items, and some can be as cheap as $5 per item. One thing I must mention about selling on Etsy is trademarks. Don't use trademarked brands or characters without permission. Just stay original and you will be in the clear. Get this, Blue Willow lets you make passive income just by posting your AI art on LimeWire. When you publish your images on LimeWire's platform, you can earn a share of ad revenue from people who view your art. Cha-ching! Here's how it works. Any content you upload to LimeWire is eligible to earn a cut of ad money generated on the site. So the more eyes that see your images, the more you can potentially earn each month. LimeWire shares up to 70% of their ad revenue with creators. Not too shabby. There are a few things you can do to get your work seen on LimeWire. First, make sure to use hashtags when you share your art. Adding relevant tags like hashtag AI art, hashtag generative art, or hashtag YouTube banner can help more people discover your creations. Also, engage with the LimeWire community by liking and commenting on other people's posts. This raises your profile within the platform's social features. And consider setting up a LimeWire supporter subscription. Fans can subscribe monthly to directly support you and get perks like exclusive content. Lastly, link your LimeWire portfolio on your other social media accounts too. Ensure you cross-promote to drive your audience to view and purchase your art. The income gets paid out each month in LMWR tokens, LimeWire's crypto. You can cash it out or hold the tokens. Imagine having hundreds of AI art images published on LimeWire seen by thousands of people. Your passive income will quickly add up. And this is on top of any sales you make selling the same art on Etsy, NFT marketplaces, etc. Between the potential ad revenue and your sales, Blue Willow and LimeWire makes monetizing AI art so easy. The more content you publish, the more exposure and ad revenue you'll gain over time. It's almost too good to be true. Here are some other fantastic ways to turn your AI art into profits. You can sell merchandise and prints of your unique designs, or you can create NFTs to sell on platforms like OpenSea. You can license your work to stock image sites or make AI automation videos on YouTube, just like this channel also does. So they not only earn revenue through YouTube ads, but can also easily generate additional income through various opportunities. In conclusion, if you're tired of using Midjourney and want a simple, cheaper way to make money, Blue Willow is the answer you've been waiting for. Click the link in the description, sign up, and start making money. You won't regret it.